Hello lovelies, this is Dinh, author of Wrapped in Sin. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe below. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chic farmhouse Santa candy sleigh. So let's get started. What you'll need is some silver tinsel stem, which are like pipe cleaners, Hershey's milk chocolate bar, visible tape. Make sure that you get this red kind, and some candy canes. I opted for the Oreos in black and white. You'll also need some deco mesh. This is the buffalo check print, the 10-inch. I got this from Hobby Lobby on sale, of course. And candy of your choice, and also some Santa. This I did get from Home Goods. Deco mesh that are 10-inch. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Gift wrapping paper. Some accessories such as decorative bells. Need a ruler. Last of all, a pair of scissors. What we're going to do is cut at least 10 inches of the deco mesh. It's going to set that aside. Is to wrap the candy Hershey's bar with the red paper, and you want to go ahead and get this super clear tape. Next step is to put the candy cane onto the chocolate bar. What you want to do is make sure that you pick the candy cane that are closest together in length, just because sometimes some of the candy canes are not even. So you want to try to match them as even in length as possible. So what I'm going to do next is tape the back of this candy cane to the Hershey's bar. Now, the bottom of this candy cane will not fit the whole entire backside of the Hershey's bar, but that's okay because we're going to tape it and it's going to be secure. What I like to do is target my candy cane, the end of the loop here, to be about the edge of the Hershey's bar is how I'm going to guide the candy, or of where the candy cane needs to be attached. My tape instead of hot glue or any type of glue. I've been doing this for years, and what tends to happen is that if you use the glue on against certain type of plastic and such type of materials, it tends to come loose later, especially when you go to transport it. Then it'll just be really more challenging to try to put it back together just to give to somebody. Where if you use the tape, it will secure it, and when you go to transport it or hand it to someone, it won't fall apart. Trust me, I've been doing this for a long time. So you don't have to worry about all your hard work falling apart at the last minute. So what we want to do is get some tape, and once again, I'm going to line it up right about here, and I'm going to line it against the edge here of the candy bar on the back side. The second candy cane, again, I'm going to try to line it up as close as possible to the other one, to the edge. I'm going to go ahead and put a handful of candy. Get the silver tinsel stem. You want to cut the silver tinsel in half. Gather the deco mesh like a little Santa bag and simply tie it. Tie it tightly. Twist it around a few times. There's your little candy bag. Forgot to mention we'll need some double-sided tape. And next we're going to go ahead and take one of these bells. We're not going to need to use the little yellow attachment here. I'm going to get rid of that. But I'm going to go ahead and use the actual bell. Take the little bell and slide it through the stem. And then just twist that a few times. And it will look like that. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so now what we're going to do next is get double-sided tape and just put a little strip about halfway, like so, onto the sleigh. You want to put 2 of them down. And then I'll just trim off any frays that might be on the bag. Then all we're going to do is just simply attach it almost near the edge, a little bit further up onto the sleigh and press it down. And get your Santa tape up front for him. Put a little bit of double-sided tape on the back side here, because when you put him down onto the sleigh, you want to press him to lean up against the candy bag. So I'm going to put it toward the edge of the bottom, going up. And you want to center him. And voila! There you go. Do another one in red deco mesh so you can see what that one looks like. Step is to go ahead and get the 10-inch deco mesh, and we're going to cut it again 10 inches long. And once again, we're going to go ahead and grab a handful of candy. You're going to need a silver stem and cut that in half. And we're going to gather this together. And tie it tightly. Get one of the bells and slide it in. And then just twist it a few times to secure it. It'll look like that. And then we're going to cut any extra frays off of the bag. Okay. And once again, I already have a sleigh made. We're going to put down double-sided tape. Push it down there. And then get some tape, put it on the back side of Santa. I'm going to use the Scotch Super Hold tape instead of the double-sided. I found that it sticks just a little bit better to the bag. And there we go. Here we look like side by side. One with the buffalo check, one with the red deco mesh. This is what they look like on the side. To the back. To the side again. And to the front. Now I also have one other candy sleigh. I'll attach the link if you would like to make this particular type of candy sleigh. These are all little miniature Hershey's as well as the Kit Kat. So this one, check out the video below. And there you go. Isn't that beautiful? This will be an extra gift that will be given to all of my loved ones for the holidays. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe below. Once again, my name is Dinh, author of Wrapped in Sin. If you enjoy reading smutty comedy romance, please check it out. It is available at Apple iTunes, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Smashwords, and other retailer. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye, my lovelies.